Hi, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today we're talking about the world of home remodeling, specifically focusing on window-to-door conversions and whether you should call a professional or try a DIY installation for a new opening into your home. To help you out, we're going to compare a DIY and professional conversion project by analyzing the pros and cons of each option, including their cost, warranty, time, and experience. Let's start with the benefits of going the DIY route. Firstly, it could save you a chunk of change. No labor costs means more money in your pockets. Plus, you get to create your own schedule, and who doesn't love that flexibility? Lastly, customization is key. You can tailor every aspect to your liking, from materials to finishes. However, DIY for this type of project does require serious skills. Without proper expertise, you risk damaging your home. With this type of project, there can be a lot of framing, electrical, and plumbing work, which could cause bigger problems unless you have extensive experience in these fields and are confident you won't be doing more harm than good. Plus, it's time-consuming. Life often gets in the way, prolonging the project. And let's not forget the lack of a warranty. If something goes wrong, you're on your own. On the flip side, hiring a professional has its perks. Say goodbye to stress. A professional should handle everything, leaving you worry-free. You also get access to top-notch products, premium materials, and their design creativity. Having someone there to think through the project and design something custom for you can be worth the cost of admission right there. And don't forget about the warranty. If issues arise, they got your back. But there are downsides. It can be tough finding a trustworthy contractor. Not all companies are created equal. If you need some tips on finding a trustworthy contractor, check out the video linked above where we outline 6 things to look for in a contractor before choosing one for your window-to-door transformation project. Another drawback to a professional installation could be the cost. When pricing out any remodeling job, you need to focus on the cost versus value of the job to make sure you're getting what you pay for. And lastly, you're at the mercy of their schedule. Patience is key when waiting for that project to start. So how do you decide? It boils down to your skills, budget, and desired outcome. If you're a seasoned DIYer with time to spare, go for it. But if quality and peace of mind top your list, leave it to the pros. Also be sure to reach out to a professional if you aren't qualified to handle framing, electric, or plumbing work, as these 3 things tend to show up a lot when creating new openings in a home. In the end, whether you DIY or hire a professional, what matters most is a successful outcome. Choose the path that best aligns with your goals and capabilities. And remember, there's no shame in asking for help. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.